If you're working in SketchUp and your model is showing meters instead of feet, or you want to switch your entire project over to feet and inches, this video is going to make that super simple. In the next few minutes, I'll show you exactly how to change units in SketchUp, where to find the settings, and how to choose the right format and precision so your measurements display the way you want. This is one of those small settings that makes a huge difference, especially if you're designing in imperial units or sharing files with someone who expects feet and inches instead of meters. If this tutorial helps you out, please take a second to hit like and subscribe for more easy SketchUp tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your SketchUp model and look at the top menu bar. To change the units, go to Window, then click Model Info. This is where SketchUp keeps all the global settings for your current model, including measurements, dimensions, and display preferences. Once the Model Info window opens, look at the sidebar on the left. Near the bottom of that list, click Units. This is the section that controls how SketchUp displays your measurements across the entire file. Now, here's the important part. In the Units panel, you'll see a setting called Format. If you want your measurements to display as feet and inches, change the format from decimal to architectural. This is the most common option if you want to see values like 5 feet 6 inches, written as 5 feet 6 inches. If you prefer to keep a decimal style but still work in feet, you can leave the format as decimal and then use the drop down next to the length unit to switch from meters to feet. So if your model was originally set to meters, this is where you make that change. Next, take a look at precision. Precision controls how detailed your measurements appear on screen. For example, you can set it to something like 0.00 if you want decimal places, or choose a fractional option like 1/16 of an inch if you want more traditional architectural measurements. The right precision depends on your project. If you're doing quick concept work, lower precision is usually fine. If you're building something that needs more accuracy, choose a finer setting so your numbers are more exact. And just to be clear, changing units in SketchUp is a global setting for the model, so it updates both the measurements you see and how SketchUp displays them throughout the file. That means you don't have to change every object manually. Once you've selected the format and precision you want, you can simply close the Model Info window. Your SketchUp model will now display in feet instead of meters, and your measurements will follow the new unit system you selected. If you want to double check that it worked, try using the tape measure tool or look at any dimension label in the model. You should now see the new unit format reflected instantly. So that's how to change units in SketchUp from meters to feet in just a few clicks. It's a quick fix, but it can save a lot of confusion when you're modeling, measuring, or exporting your work. If this video helped, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more SketchUp tips, tutorials, and beginner-friendly workflows. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.